video is part of my slow motion series for very visual learners, and this time I'm going to demonstrate weaving in ends. I'm going to demonstrate weaving in ends in reverse stockinette, which is how we have to probably weave in most ends, I'd say. If you'd like to see my entire playlist of slow motion videos, just click the little eye in the upper right hand corner. In there I will also give you a link to my regular speed weaving in ends video and a playlist of all of my weaving in ends video, because I have a million of them, because you guys keep sending me suggestions for weaving in ends and different stitches, blah, 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 you know. So I try to do what I can. So I have a bunch of them, but this one I'm going to do reverse stockinette. The other note is I'm going to demonstrate in a blue swatch with pink yarn. And normally, of course, you're going to weave in an end into the same color that you were knitting with, the end left over from the knitting, but I'm going to do it in a different color so you can really see what I'm doing. Okay, let's go slow-mo. Okay, the first thing I have to do is attach my yarn because I'm not really weaving in an end here. So I'm just going to poke my needle through and get the yarn attached. Not sure why that was difficult. Okay, here we go. First thing we do is we're going to follow the umbrella shape around, down into a smile, angle the needle to the right, down into the umbrella, and pull that through. Not too tightly. You want to try to match the tension of the fabric of you're weaving into. So it's all about smiles and umbrellas. Now, the spot that we just came out of, follow the smile around, up into the umbrella, angle the needle to the right, up into the smile, and pull that through. Follow the umbrella, down into the smile, angle the needle to the right, down into the umbrella, pull, not too tightly. Follow the smile, up into the umbrella, angle the needle to the right, up into the smile, Are you seeing the pattern now? The shape reminds me of an ancient Christmas candy. Umbrella, smile, umbrella, smile, umbrella, smile. I pulled that one a little tight, loosen it up to get it to match the other ones. And then after you weave it in for a while, you can just cut that end short. Looks great. And that's it, smiles and umbrellas. And when you're doing this, if you weave in your end this way, because if you get the end woven in and it stays, you're kind of good, but this is the way, kind of the best way to do it if you don't want to lose any elasticity in the fabric. Also, once you get it woven in a little bit, you can just cut the end short. The other question I get is how much is enough with weaving it in? You see I did it 8 times there, and this is a wool blend yarn, a little bit of stick to it. I'm not worried about this end coming loose. If you're using a more slippery, maybe a bulkier yarn, you might want to weave it in a little bit more to make sure that end is secure, especially if it's something that's machine washable. Anyway, I hope that helps. Good luck.